Setting up your blog, part 2. This video will show you how to change some settings and add some gadgets, including a search bar, an About Me gadget, and labels, which you are using hashtags for. So go back to your blog, and if you look along the left-hand side, you'll see a tab that says Settings. Go ahead and click on Settings. Now, for those of you who set up a blog with me during the Tech Bootcamp sessions, this is where you can change the blog address from where you had it before to the SFS first name, yougraduate.blogspot.com or .blogspot.kr. So go ahead and do that now if you have a different URL and you want to change it so it's what it is supposed to be. If you eventually decide you want a more creative name for your blog, you can also change the title right here. Mine is Design Reflection, but maybe I want to change that for different purposes. I decide that I really want a blog devoted just to unicorns, so I'm going to change it to All About Unicorns and save that. Okay. That's basic settings. If I want to go to posts, comments, and sharing, I can go there. Okay, this is where you guys can see who can comment on your posts. Go ahead and change that to anyone. Eventually, you can also do comment moderation if you're finding people are posting on your blogs and you want to check what they say beforehand. You can just leave that never for right now. And you're going to save those settings by clicking Save Settings. Okay. And that is what all we're going to do with the settings for right now. So finally, we'll go back to layout, and this is where we're going to add your gadgets. So this is the current layout of my blog. You can see there's a sidebar on the left, and there's an About Me section, a blog archive, labels, and an option to add a gadget. So I'm going to start by clicking Add Gadget, and I'm going to get a pop-up window here. The first gadget that I'm going to add is Blog Search. This is going to be a little bar that shows up in your published blog where that users can type keywords into and search through the posts that you've done so far so they can find a specific blog or a post about a specific topic. So you do want this to be visible. Keep that checked. And you can either keep the title, search this blog, search, find what you're looking for, something that shows them that is actually a search bar. Go ahead and save that. And you'll see my search bar has been added here. I can go ahead and edit my labels gadget by clicking the pen. And I'm going to change the word labels to hashtags, since that's what the design teachers have asked you to use. I think I do want them to be sorted alphabetically. I want all labels to show. And I'm going to start with a list version, although cloud would be kind of cool to see later on as well. It's up to you how you want it to display. Click Save. Okay. You can also go back to Add a Gadget and look through the other gadgets that are available here. Okay. If a gadget is already added, you'll see right here it says already added. If not, it will have a blue plus symbol. You can add that. You can add some images. A link list will let you add links to your classmates' blogs if you would like. And one down at the bottom that I think would be useful for you is called Translate. And it allows visitors to translate your blog into different languages. So click the plus to add that icon if you would like to. I'm going to call it Translate My Blog. Okay, I'm going to keep it vertical, and then to select a language, yeah, that's what it's going to look like. Preview, select language, powered by Google Translate. I'm going to click Save. Okay. Finally, I'll click Save Arrangement. And now that I've added those features, I'm going to go back to the View Blog button, and I'm going to see some things that I've just added.